We're not done yet.
12 rounds of boxing for the welterweight championship of the world. Sponsored by Rockstar, Parting Fees, and Smart Communications. Sanctioned by the Nevada State Athletic Commission, Chairman Bill Brady, your referee in charge of the action at the bell, Kenny Bayless. Only one can become victorious tonight. So from the MGM Grand of Las Vegas for the 1,000, let's get ready to rumble!
Manny Pacquiao first title was the flyweight WBC.
I'm going to ask you the question that a lot of critics will ask you. Why does he come out of retirement and get a WBC title shot in his first fight?
Sugar Ray Leonard was retired 4 years when he requested to fight Marvin Hagler and defeated Hagler. Credentials such as Manny Pacquiao, he has been medically cleared, licensed by Nevada, so we have
Manny Pacquiao, todo dinipensa ni WBC, boss Mauricio Sulaiman. Binwiltahan ni World Boxing Council President Mauricio Sulaiman ng Mexico ang mga kritiko sa pagbasbas niya sa World Welterweight title fight nina Manny Pacquiao at reigning champion Mario Barrios ng United States sa Hulyo. Manny Pacquiao, hindi hangad ang datungo sa lapi sa laban nila ni Mario Barrios. Bagkos ay nais lamang nitong magawa at marating ang pinakamataas na estado o level ng kanyang kahusayan sa larangan ng boxing. Puspusan ang paghahanda ng 46 anyos na Pinoy Southpaw bilang preparasyon kontra World Boxing Council WBC welterweight titleist Mario Il Azteca Barrios sa kanilang 12-round world title fight sa Hulyo 19 sa MGM Grand Garden Arena sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Bagaman na iluklok na sa International Boxing Hall of Famer, ay nananatiling hindi maalis sa katauhan at katawan ng Filipino boxing legend na hanapin ang nakagawiang pagsabak sa ibabaw ng ring. Kasunod ng minsang paglisan sa minamahal na pampalakasan upang sumubok muli sa larangan ng politika sa Pilipinas. That's vintage Manny. Pahayag ni MP Promotions President Shane Gibbons, the power and excitement are still there. He doesn't have to be doing this. He's not here for the money. He's here because he likes to compete. He wants to be at the highest level, and he tells us, this is what I've done my whole life. Matapos pansamantalang isabit ang kanyang mga gloves noong 2021 upang tumutok sa ibang bagay, nananatili pa ring binabalikan ni Pacquiao ang kanyang pinagsimulang gawain matapos na sumabak sa ilang exhibition fights kina Japanese Rocky Anpo at DKU ng South Korea, habang pinunterya nitong muling sumuntok sa world title fight upang lampasan ang ginawang kasaysayan noong Hulyo 20, 2019 laban kay Kate One-Time Thurman para sa WBA 147-pound belt sa MGM Grand Arena.
Nagpapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon. We have the responsibility also to share others our blessings that God entrusted.
Are gathering to celebrate a remarkable man, our brother in Christ, the pambansang kamao, and
your heart of gold na nasa puso mo. So I'm very proud of you.